Hi everyone, my name's Tom and I'm here to talk to you about the Good Grips aluminum frame water bottle drying rack. This is OXO's first product. It's designed specifically to dry up to 4 bottles, lids, and all of their accessories. You see here on the vertical side we have a beautiful U-shaped aluminum frame that has 4 hooks that holds your water bottles at just the right angle in order to let them drip dry completely. Now we also have these wonderful straw holder accessories on the top here that keep your straws above the drain tray, letting them to dry really efficiently and hygienically. And last but not least, on the drip tray we have space for all of your other lids and accessories. There are raised ridges on there to keep those lids above any standing water. Now the thing I really love about this rack, after all of your bottles, lids, and accessories are dry, you're able to snap it apart and lay it flat for compact storage in any drawer. Thanks so much.